Have you ever wondered about the intricate workings of our universe's most familiar star, the Sun? Today, we dive into the fascinating features and phenomena of this celestial powerhouse. In the last video, we delved into the various layers of the Sun's atmosphere, examining the chromosphere, the corona, and the solar wind. In this installment, we will be uncovering the different features and phenomena of the Sun. The Sun, an enormous glowing sphere of hot gases, is a lot more intricate than it seems. It's a hub of activity, fueled by plasma and magnetic fields that give rise to a myriad of phenomena. Our journey begins with sunspots, cooler, darker spots that pepper the Sun's photosphere, a product of intricate interactions between the Sun's magnetic fields and plasma currents. Often appearing in pairs or groups, sunspots follow a captivating approximately 11-year cycle, showcasing a fascinating fluctuation in their quantity and size. Next, we have solar flares, the Sun's dramatic outbursts of energy and radiation. They happen when the magnetic energy that accumulates in the Sun's atmosphere suddenly releases. These flares can last anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, producing intense heat, light, and even X-rays. Then there are coronal mass ejections, enormous eruptions of plasma and magnetic fields that are expelled from the Sun's corona. Instability in the Sun's magnetic fields and plasma currents lead to these ejections. They can travel at breathtaking speeds of up to 1,900 miles per second, carrying billions of tons of matter with them. But what do these features mean for Earth and the rest of our solar system? Well, they create a variety of effects. For instance, the aurora, the beautiful lights that we see near the Earth's poles. These are the result of the interaction between the solar wind and the Earth's magnetic field, which guides the charged particles towards the poles where they collide with atoms and molecules in the Earth's upper atmosphere, producing the beautiful lights. The Sun also affects space weather, which is the state of the space environment around Earth and other planets. This can influence the performance and reliability of satellites, spacecraft, communication systems, power grids, and navigation systems. It can even pose a threat to the health and safety of astronauts and passengers on high-altitude flights. Lastly, the Sun plays a significant role in climate change, the long-term shift in average weather patterns on Earth and other planets. Changes in the Sun's energy output can impact temperature, precipitation, wind, and ocean currents. This, in turn, can have profound effects on biodiversity, ecosystems, agriculture, and human activities. In summary, the Sun is more than just a glowing orb in the sky. It's a dynamic and complex star with numerous features and phenomena, from sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections, to its influence on Earth's aurora, space weather, and climate change. We've reached the end of our journey into the Sun's fascinating world. I hope you've enjoyed this exploration and learned something new about our universe's most familiar star. Stay tuned for our next series where we'll venture to Mercury, the smallest and fastest planet in our solar system. Until then, keep pondering the mysteries of the universe.